Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password, your notes password. So first you go to settings and then you scroll down to notes and then you tap on notes. Then you tap on password and then so after you tap on password, you tap on change password. Then you could so you have to add your old password and then you enter your new password and then make sure that you verify it, so you enter the new password again and then you can add hint. This is only recommended but it's not required. So for example, tutorial millennials, and then I just have to tap done and then that's it. So I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.